A masterpiece that revolutionizes luxury travel is the $2.6 million 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome. It is based on the popular Prevost H3-45 chassis and sports a strong Volvo D13 engine with 500 horsepower and a smooth, easy ride. It also has a sleek, aerodynamic appearance. This bus brings five-star living to the open road by skillfully fusing outstanding engineering and design principles to do more than just transport you from one location to another. It is a style statement and proof that your journey can be as amazing as your destination thanks to its unique, eye-catching paint job and panoramic windows. Once inside, the cockpit appears more like a command center than a driver's seat. With a large Crestron C3 CPU and improved Crosspoint controls from Liberty Coach, the dashboard is a stunning example of current design. With this technology, the driver has total control over the coach's high-definition backup camera, navigation, and sophisticated entertainment and heating systems. With the inclusion of a floating doorway and lighting steps that give the room a sense of futuristic grandeur, the entire new layout is uncomplicated and easy to utilize. Richly furnished and beautifully designed is the main living room. The three S-Slide versions of this coach have open, roomy floor plans that are evocative of many luxurious residences. Handcrafted cabinets and high-end leather seats are common features of the decor, which is a unique fusion of colors and textures. Using button clicks or voice commands to manage your lights, blinds, and entertainment is simple with the integrated smart home system. This large apartment with luxurious furniture is ideal for entertaining, unwinding, and savoring life's little pleasures while on vacation. Your makeshift haven is prepared for you. The focal point of the opulent master bedroom is a cozy king-sized bed. Your clothing and personal items will have plenty of room in the handcrafted cupboards that round the walls. You can operate the blinds, sound system, and lights from the comfort of your bed thanks to integrated smart controls. The rooms are large, quiet, and serene, making them ideal for resting and rejuvenating for the rest of your journey. A bath-and-a-half layout is another feature of certain floor designs that gives guests a half bath closer to the main living area. The spa-like bathroom is the haven. It has heated marble floors, a big glass-enclosed shower with a rainfall showerhead, and exquisite high-end fittings. The countertops enhance the opulent appearance of the kitchen, while the toilet is composed of porcelain. You will feel as though you are in a five-star hotel despite being far from civilization thanks to the bathroom's enormous storage and careful attention to detail, which were intended to give the utmost comfort and convenience. This is a gourmet kitchen fit for a professional cook, not your average RV kitchenette. It has a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, and a full-size, residential-grade refrigerator and freezer. The counter's stunning quartz construction offers a sophisticated and long-lasting surface for food preparation. Everyone can participate in the discussion while cooking because the entire space is connected to the main living room and features enough of drawers and storage space for all of your equipment and supplies.